Hello. In this video, we're going to look at actually evaluating logarithms, even if we don't know what they're already equal to. Now, I will show you how to use the calculator at the end of this video, but I want to go ahead and look at it now without the calculator. So we have log base 3 of 81. What you really want to know is 3 to what power gives you 81. In other words, you can think of what's the cube root of 81? Cube root of 81? No. So what's a good way of thinking? No, just 3 to what power gives you 81? So when we do this, 3 to the 4th power gives you 81. Same thing for letter B. 3 to what power gives you 1/3? Notice that they're opposite sign, or so one's greater than 1, one's less than 1. So that means that we're going to get a negative out of this. So ask yourself, 3 to what power gives you 3? Well, 3 to the 1st power gives you 3. So it means log base 3 of 1/3 is -1. For letter C, notice the argument's 1, so it doesn't matter what the base is, because it's going to be 0, because 3 to the 0 power gives you 1. Good. Now, looking at letter D, log base 6 of the square root of 6 is what? Well, here's the thing. If we look at this, I'm going to go ahead and use that one again. If we look at this, notice that the base is 6, so 6 to what power gives us the square root of 6? Well, the square root as an exponent is 1/2, so 6 to the half power is equal to, log base 6, 6 to the half power is the square root of 6. Good deal. Letter E, log base 2 of 32. Well, if you ask yourself, 2 to what power gives you 32? And that is 5. I mean, you didn't know that off the top of your head? That's crazy talk. You're supposed to know that. Not really. Anyway, F, log base 2 of square root of 2 equals, well, notice that the base is 2. We have the square root of 2, so that can give us 1/2. Awesome. If you can do this in your head, fantastic. If not, it's not that big of a deal. I'm about to show you how you can use your calculator to do this. So I'll see you in the calculator. Okay, so welcome to the calculator. Now, the calculator will have a way for you to evaluate these. So if you look over here, press math, and then go up until you see log base. Now, if you go up and you don't see log base, that means that your calculator is not of the right software. So if you press second mem and then enter, yours probably isn't going to say this, the 5.4.0.0034, but it may. Let me switch to a different calculator here. How about just the regular TI-84 Plus here? So if I go here and I do second mem, which is the plus sign, and then enter, it should say 2.55 MP if yours is a TI-84 Plus of some sort. If it's a plus C, so if I go second mem and then enter for about, 4.2 is what the plus C is. Okay, good deal. So let me go back to the plus CE here, because I prefer that one. Anyway, if we do second plus enter, the plus CE is 5.4.0.0034. These are the newest versions. If you have a TI-83 calculator, it will not be able to be updated. But if you have a TI-84, I can update it. If you need help with that, let me know. Okay, so if we press math and go up until you see log base, click enter, notice that we have log base a square of a square. And that's just allowing us to write down exactly what we see. So the first one was log base 3 of 81. And then just click enter. And notice that it says 4. That's exactly what we found. Now, just a reminder, if you don't have math print on, this isn't going to work quite the same. So I'll show you what you're going to see if you have classic on. So go math and go up to log base. Now, this is a little bit weird. You have to say, first of all, 4 and then comma 81, I believe. Nope, the other way around. Sorry. I don't use this one very often, or ever, actually. 81, comma 4. And then enter. What? Sorry, 3. My apologies. 81, comma 3. My apologies. Do this one more time. 81, comma 3. And there you go. Yeah, so that does work that way. The base is the last one on this when it's written in this form. I don't like this. Just make sure that you're in math print. It's so much easier. Anyway, we want to see log base of, log base 3 of 1/3. -1, good. The next one is log base 3 of 1. Now, if you do alpha window, I think, yes, alpha window and then 5, that gives you the log base as well. So log base 3 of 1, and then click enter. Should give you 0. Alpha window 5. So we have 6, and then square root of 6. Click enter. That gives us 0.5. Now, I don't ever want to see decimals, so just press math, enter, enter, and that will tell you a fraction. Good. For the next one, we'll do alpha window 5. Base 2 of 32 should give us 5. There we go. And again, alpha window 5 should be base 2, and then square root of 2 will give us a half. We'll see decimal 0.5 here, and then just press math, enter, enter. Alrighty, well, I believe that's it for this particular video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.